Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do highlight on Instagram. Now let's get started. First, open your Instagram apps, and after this, if you wanna add highlight on Instagram like this, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the plus, this one, click on it. And after this, in here you can add the story that you want to add to highlight. In here I wanna add this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So you just click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the next at the top. Okay, in here you can edit the cover. So you just click on edit cover, and in here you can choose the cover that you want to add, or you can choose the cover at your gallery. But in here I wanna choose this one, so you just click on it, and in here you can adjust the photo. So you just pitch with your finger like this, and after this you can click down at the top. And after this, in here you can add the name or the highlights, maybe on holidays. Okay, and after this you can click down at the top. And finish, the highlight has been added to your Instagram. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.